This is it. Welcome, the new 2022-2023 Core Idea Book. And as we open the page, you're going to see a message from Jeanette Linton, our founder, and kind of a preview of what's to come with all of the different categories. And then you turn to the next page, and we have these wonderful starter units if you're new to scrapbooking or card making. It also talks about our VIP program, and if you love it all, how to become a maker. And I'd be more than happy to help you with all of that. Next, we get into our card subscription and scrapbook subscription layouts, and then our love of color books, which if you have any trouble finding colors that coordinate, that is a book for you. And then we have our how-to books, which one of my friends, Katie, that's one of her favorite close to my heart products. And ta-da! The first new paper pack, Celebrating You. All of the blue tones, the Lagoon, Sapphire, Glacier, Honey Butter, new color, Linen, Pewter, and French Vanilla. And then we get into Flower Shop, which is more of the floral side, softer side of life. Ballerina, Flamingo, Raspberry, Sapphire, Capri, Sage, Pine, new color, Avocado, Honey Butter, and White Daisy again. And then we're getting into 4 seasons. So they have one for spring, summer, winter, fall, and you can just see all of it here. This one is fall. We saw spring and summer already, and then we go into winter. And can you see what's coming in all of this gloriousness? I love the seasonal haul stamp set and thin cut, and that's going to be my Twisted Sister video, so be on the lookout for that. So any of the stamps that you see that have a grayed background, those have a coordinating thin cut with them. I love this core book because it truly is going to be a year-round go-to supplies book. You have so much versatility for babies and weddings and celebrations in general, and oh my gosh, this stamp set here is going to be one of my favorites, along with the Perfectly Imperfect patterns. And I already have this stamp set too. I'm excited to show some things with that. And then here we have this new floral sentiment stamp set, and you can layer, you can do random stamping, just so much fun to have with that. If you like interactive elements on your cards or scrapbook pages, that box or package cake can be used for Christmas or holidays or celebrations. And then we have this other thin cut with all the different slides for some interactive elements. If you're not familiar with Melissa's penmanship program, it's here, so you can get some stamps that help with that. Tags. Who doesn't love tags on their cards and projects? And then we have more backpack and florals and butterflies and just so many thin cuts for sentiments, and just you can use them for so many things. Our Girls or Best Friends series has been super popular, and then they have a brand new smaller circle shaker element thin cut, so be sure to check that out. We have all of these elements that work with each other, so it's not just a standalone, but that you can use this with something else, with something else, with something else. Here's all of our glorious glitter papers. Been with Close to My Heart a while. You might be familiar with their Irresistibles, and they're back. And now this is Irresistible cardstock. They have alphabet stickers and strip stickers and just a whole bunch of things, so you can color them however you want. Now, some of these are repeats or carryovers, but the new color of the year is Melon, so you can see that in the upper left corner. But all of the embellishments that you have that just make your projects come together so quickly and look so finished and done and professional. This is, again, more of things that if you've seen Close to My Heart before, we've had. The tri-blend markers are the best. It just makes coloring easy. I don't like to color, but I can do this, and I can get depth and make it look good. New gel pens, yay! Metallic and Stardust. And then also the shimmer pens in new lines. That's what I like to color with, is those shimmer brushes. There's more offerings for distress oxides. There's also new of the liquid pearls and the stickles. We now have the blender brushes, not just the blender tools, so yay. All your stencil packs are here. And I should mention, if this is going too fast for you, YouTube allows you to press that gear in the bottom corner for settings and change your playback speed. So you can slow it down and really absorb this. You can mute the audio so you can just absorb all this and take it in. Close to My Heart now offers masking tape in different sizes. So you have the thinner roll and the thicker, so 1-inch or 4-inch sizes. Our wonderful Workspace Wonder stuff, which I will be showing in an upcoming video as I organize my new craft studio. And now, brand new, close to my heart, is also offering the photo organizer. I personally love their SVG files, so all of that works in any cutting machine. Their albums and their page protectors and their flip flaps just can't be beat. They're just so high quality. And as it continues to go through some of the things in the back of the book, more supply items, I'm going to remind you that if you place an order, you can get your book starting now. If you're a VIP member, any order after July 15th, they sent you the new book. After July 22nd, everybody else can get the book. So let's pause for a moment and look at what the new colors are. Melon is the color of the year. And then we have Mist, Periwinkle, Seabrook, Pine, Honey Butter. Those are all fantastic. And here's just talking about all of our different cardstocks and that they're two-tone. And of course, the brand new Operation Smile stamp set is one you don't want to miss. If you want to make sure to not miss any of the videos that I put out, you can go ahead and click here to subscribe at the top, or click on the video box, and that'll take you to another one of my videos that, based on what you've watched, YouTube thinks you may be interested in. Blessings.